I'd like to thank my patrons on Patreon for their support. You can do this meditation anytime you are stressed. Sitting up nice and tall, taking a breath in and out. This will be a guided nature meditation, so you'll hear sounds of the forest. As you take a deep breath now, pull your spine up. Again, nice and tall, heart open, the shoulders relaxed. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Breathing out through the mouth a few times. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. Just allowing your body to relax. Letting go of any tension. And just feel that as you're sitting, imagine and feel that you are sitting on the earth. Feel the contact of the ground beneath you. And feel that your energy connects into the energy of the earth, feeling very stable, very strong, feeling that support. And right behind you, you can feel it at your back, is a tall tree, so that your back is supported by this tree. You can feel as you breathe the pressure, the gentle pressure on your back, feeling that sense of support. And as you relax, feeling the support of the ground beneath you and the tree behind you, and feel that your spine connects to the spine of that tree that's supporting you as it soars up and over your head. Just feel that you're connecting into that energy. And now bring your attention to your belly. And now breathing through the nose, feel the breath coming in. And you're breathing out through the nose. Just working to lengthen the breath a few times. Lengthening that in-breath. Notice if there's a pause, and then the out-breath, lengthening that. Just a few times. Deepening the breath begins to calm the body and calm the mind. And now release any control of the breath. Just let it be completely natural. You keep your attention somewhere in the belly, somewhere where you can feel the gentle motion of the breath as you inhale. Feel the belly expanding, the lower ribs expanding, and then the exhale. And again, now not changing the breath in any way, just letting it be as it is. Staying focused on each in-breath and each out-breath. Now beginning to notice and be aware of the sounds around you, so that the attention shifts. You can feel your skin, the air on your arms and on your face. And just feeling the container of your body, feel the energy within. Whatever you notice, whether warmth, tingling, coolness, pulsing, whatever you notice is fine. Then again, feeling the surface of the skin, and now let's go beyond. Imagine and feel that you can be aware of sensations 6 inches off of your skin, off of the body, and perhaps 12 inches out, and perhaps arm's length all around you. Imagine and feel a sense of your energy, arm's length, all around your body in every direction. Try to feel the edge of that, as if your skin has shifted out to arm's distance, so you're able to sense the touch of the forest and nature all the way out, surrounding your body as you sit, hearing the sounds, feeling the breath. Nothing to do, just feeling your expanded self. Feel a gentle breeze on the skin. Your awareness is very wide. You're able to sense and feel the energy of the trees around you, surrounding you, overhead, with the leaves shimmering in the sunlight. You see the sky, a clear, soft blue. The sounds in all directions, to your right, left and above, behind you, a symphony of sounds. Just feeling that connection, that expanded self. Feel as if your energy now, and you might see it as a color or as a slight sense of movement, this aura, your aura around you, arm's distance and perhaps even wider. With it, you're able to touch into and feel the energy of the trees nearest you, the tree right at your back that is supporting you. Feel that energy. You begin to sense the unity of the sounds, the birds, the water off in the distance, all of the sounds together, a sense of aliveness, the grass underneath you, the roots of the tree around you, feeling completely connected. feeling as if with each breath you're breathing in the forest, breathing out that your breath is the breath of the trees, the creatures in the air. Dragonfly goes by, the squirrel rustles around in the distance. All of that happening all at once in an open field of awareness. Nothing to do. Feeling the interconnection of all the beings around you, all of the life forms, the plants, the animals, the insects, the very air itself moving, the water flowing. Breathing that in deeply, feeling nourished, exhaling any tension. It's completely melting out of the body. And as we prepare to close our practice today, just take a nice deep breath in again. Hold the breath for a moment. And then exhale through the mouth, letting out a soft sound. And feel now, bring your awareness back to your skin, just to the edge of the body, the surface of your skin, the arms, over the legs. Pulling your awareness in. Feel the contact of the body with the ground underneath you. Back in the space where you are. And preparing to transition, just mentally saying, bringing myself back with a heightened sense of awareness. Feeling grounded, feeling relaxed, feeling peaceful. Stretch your arms up overhead if you'd like. Take another deep breath in and just moving the body, reawakening, opening the eyes. Hari Om, Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Have a blessed day.